Hello friends, welcome back to EcomCorner. This is Abhishek and today I'm going to show you live income proof how we build 7 figures income through USA dropshipping for our many customers from eBay, Amazon, Etsy and Walmart. So what if I told you that right now people are just like you are building 7 figures dropshipping business without touching inventory, without overseas delay, and it's all happening right here in the USA. Today I'm showing you live income proof and exactly how we build these millions dollar store for our clients at EcomCorner. Let's get into it. Friends, as you can see the screen, this is one of our eBay customers dashboard and you can see these sellers generated $26,000 revenue in just 90 days only and 511 orders in just 90 days. So you can also make income like this. And similarly, you can see a Walmart seller account for this customer, and this customer generated 677 orders from Walmart. You can see there are many orders which I am showing you right now. So you can also generate income like this, and I can present thousands of proof. You can see this is our another customers, and this customers generated $78,000 revenue in just 90 days while selling 18,000 orders. And friends, this is no fake screenshots, no gimmicks. This is live data pulled straight from their store's analytics. What even better, these numbers represent real customers, fast shipping, high trust and repeat buyers. So how we make this happen at EcomCorner? We follow a simple but powerful 3-step systems. Product research, we use advanced tools to find high converting USA products that are already trending. So we are providing all winning items at EcomCorner with our top USA manufacturers and wholesalers. So don't worry about it. The second thing, premium store setup. We build professional Walmart, eBay, Amazon and Etsy stores optimized for conversions, clean, fast and fully automated. The third is smart marketing. That is also a very important. We scale with targeted ads, influencer strategies and automated emails flow, all designed to bring in daily consistent revenue. Our clients come from everywhere. Some were completely beginners. So as I already show you these results, and also still I can show you many results. You can see this customers generated $45,000 revenue with selling 1,200 orders, and you can see this customer sell 395 orders from on Walmart. And also you can see this customers sold 185 items on Walmart, and similarly this one also sold 108 items on eBay. So we can present you thousands of results like this. So what are you waiting, my friends? See, these customers generating thousands of dollar revenue every single day. You can see one single order is $1,374. This is very impressive and amazing. I hope definitely you guys are going to take this serious, and you can also build your own dropshipping business through EcomCorner. You can see this is $734, one single item, $377, $321, $321, $306, $306, $247, $235, $222, $211, $202, So you can also sell items like this. We have big ticket size and a small ticket size, both type of items. So if you are struggling with dropshipping, or if you would like to start your new dropshipping store, definitely EcomCorner will be best fit for your business. We have cracked the code for high profit, fast shipping e-commerce stores. And if you want to build your own 6 or 7 figures store, we can help you with that too. So don't just watch others make money online. It's your turn now. So what are you waiting for, my friends? So I hope you are loving our dropshipping series videos. If you are new to our channel, go and check out all other videos regarding eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart. So I'm sure you're gonna love them. Friends, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you will get our all videos at first. Friends, if you would like to connect with us on WhatsApp for instant chat, please text us at 8756919495. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.